Welcome everyone to the Mercedes C220d SE Executive 2017 model. This being the estate means plenty of boot space, and it being the SE Executive means plenty of mod cons, including heated seats, cruise control, DAB, Bluetooth for your telephone and media, and satellite navigation. Looking around the car, you can see it's been fastidiously maintained and is finished in this stunning Cavansite blue metallic paint. Inside the vehicle, you'll find a beautifully kept full leather interior, and it being Mercedes-Benz German engineering, all the buttons are going to be where you expect them to be, including this multi-function leather steering wheel. This sitting on 17-inch alloy wheels and thicker profile tyres and a softer suspension setup means for a much quieter and more comfortable drive on long journeys. Working your way towards the back of the vehicle, looking in the boot, which is important for this being the estate car, you'll see that there's plenty of space. But on top of this, you also have some added luxuries, including a power tailgate at the push of a button. So simply push it to fold the boot down, and then you'll also see power folding rear seats, so you don't need to clamber into the back of the car to bring those seats down. It makes life a lot easier when you're putting the stroller, shopping or suitcases away. We'll take you now on our virtual test drive for you to have an insight on what the car's like to drive. We do this to try and be as transparent as we can about our cars so that you have a tangible feel of what the car is like when it's on the move. All of our vehicles go through the workshop when they arrive and have a pre-delivery inspection. This basically walks through the car as if we were doing an MOT to make sure that everything that needs doing is done. Be the car need discs, pads, shocks, suspension arms, anything that's needed, we get it done. This vehicle in particular, we had a full service history up to 2024, and we realised it needed an oil service, so that was done. We appreciate how difficult it can be in buying a vehicle. It's arguably one of the most expensive things you'll buy, so we try to give you as much information as possible before you make that decision. If you do have any questions, you can reach out to us on the number at the end of this video. You can simply send us an email, or you can reach out to us on our website. We appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thanks for watching.